Hi, my name is Ross Townsend. Today we'll be doing task 3C on Unit 2 computers. So we'll be installing a graphics card today to this computer. Using a screwdriver, posi drive, and making sure that all the safe layer when you use it. Basically, this just goes around your strap like that, on your wrist, and you clip the end of it onto here. This just takes all the static out of you so you don't get electrocuted. So first of all, we will turn the computer around the side and we'll start taking the screws off the back so that we can get inside the computer. So just take all the necessary ones off
Are you sure?
to be able to take the case off.
So do you want us to do the...
Okay.
Like so.
Now.
Once you've taken the screws out, make sure you put them somewhere nice so that they don't you don't lose them. Next off, slide the back off. Might be a bit stiff if you've not taken it off before.
Okay. Right, now.
Just give it a bit of a jiggle. Just might have to turn it upside down.
Put your hand up.
A little bit.
Now, we're going to connect
Use a screwdriver a little bit just to
we're going to connect the power cable.
prise it. There you go. It's coming now.
The power cable
So
the VDU, which will be one end,
slide it.
and then it will be plugged into the mains also. And then it will be plugged into the mains.
Keep sliding it a bit. There you go. That's good. Make sure it's on your mat.
We'll be plugging in the printer. We're going to start with
Keep sliding it a little bit. So it comes off. When it's off, just put it somewhere else. So it's out of the way. Now you can see the inside of the computer. So locate where the graphics card has got to go, which is down here. This black PCI port. Port there with a little clip thing. Obviously, it's going to be going in here, so we need to take this out. So be careful. Take the screw out. Like so. Make sure you put that somewhere safe. Take this metal bit out. You won't need this again, so you can just get rid of this. Now take your graphics card. Make sure not to touch the bottom bits as they are the connections. So just make sure that they're nice and clean. Now take your thing, just line it up a bit. Line up your graphics card. Shift it around so it's in place. Make sure that the notches are as shown in it. Just clip it right down so it clicks in. Make sure you hear that click. Now that get the screw what you just took out from the metal clip, and just screw it back in just so it's nice and secure like so. Give it a good old screwing. And now if you see around this side, just turn it around for it. You can now see the ports what we just put in from the graphics card. So you got your VGA, DVI, and that I think it's a PS2 port. So they're all your extra ports now that you've gained, so you can plug it into a display. So now we'll just get the case back. Be careful with this, it's quite heavy. And just carefully slide it. Just try and line it up like so. Just slide straight across, give it a little whack. So it's on. And get your screws, what you saved earlier. And then just screw them back into the appropriate slots, like so. That one. This one. So. And this one, like so as well. Now that the computer is all secure, you can now attach yourself from a static, like so. Take it off the strap. That was task 3C complete.